All right, so we're working on our haunted house, and we already made our floor plan. We found the area of each room, and we chose, carpet or hardwood floors or whatever for each floor of those rooms. Now we're going to actually have to figure out how much it costs to put carpet or hardwood in those rooms. The first thing I'm going to do is just type in the name of my rooms again. And I'm going to put it in the same order as I did here because that's going to make it easier. So the first one was the pet room. So I'm just going to click and type pet room. And I'm going to fill in each one. Bedroom, Owlery art room. So bedroom. Okay, now I'm going to write down the flooring that I actually chose for each of these rooms. So, for example, for the pet room, pretty sure I chose dirt. And if you forget, you can look at the colors. So these first two were white ghosts, but then it's blue ghost, purple ghost, etc. This is also a time where if you change your mind, it's okay too. You're choosing what flooring you want to put in each room. The ghosts are there; they're kind of just for fun. But here's my pet room right here, and I chose the dirt. And the dirt costs $4 per square foot. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in that. By the way, to do that dollar sign, you're going to hold down Shift and hit the number 4 key, and there's a little dollar symbol above it. Next is the bedroom. So that was my other white ghost, and I chose the fall carpet. So, or it was orange carpet, I think. As long as you know what it is, then you're good. That's only $2 per square foot. Wow, that's cheaper than dirt. I mean, this is a haunted house, so the prices are a little freaky in my opinion. But all right, Owlery is the blue one. Oh, that's right. I wanted creaky floorboards because it's on the top floor, so I think it's kind of fun if the floorboards kind of creak and the people below it can hear. How much does that cost? $6. Whoa. It's like hardwood. It costs more. $6. Okay, so now that I have written all that information in, I have to copy one more thing in before I can do my actual math. And that is I need to write down the area of each room because the way that this cost works, so if this one is $4 per square foot, well, that means if you look at this pet room, the square footage are these little squares inside. So it's going to be 4 times however many of those squares are. Well, you already did that math. You wrote it down here. So if you kept the order the same, this might be a good, way to check. Pet room, bedroom, Owlery, art room, check that it's in the same order. It's going to be really easy to write this over. So you could just go, okay, 32, 35, 20, and then just type it in. 32, 35, 20. Then I have a 20, 55, 30. 20. You're going to be multiplying because this little $4 here is how much I'm paying for each square foot. So that means 32 for this pet room. There's 32 actual square feet in there. 3, 4, if I counted these, And so I have to pay $4, $4, $4, $4, $4, right? So basically you're adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 32 times, or you're skip counting, which is multiplication. So I'm just going to do 4 times 32 and put my answer here. My answer is going to be in money, dollars. And then here, 2 times 35, 6 times 20, 5 times 20, etc. So go ahead and do that math. But if you'd like to watch me do some of that math, I'm going to switch my camera and show you some of that math now. And you're welcome to watch if you'd like to. First, I'm going to do 32 times 4. 32 is the area, and 4 is how much each square foot costs for the materials. 4 times 2 is 8, then 4 times 3 is 12, for $128 total. And I'm going to write that in the box. Next, I'm doing 35 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Or you could just do 35 plus 35. $70. My next one will be $6 per square foot times 20. And anything that ends with a 0, like a 20, you could just do 2 times 6 and add a 0 to your answer. 2 times 6 is 12 with a 0. Or standard algorithm, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 2 is 12. 120. Next we have 5 times 20. So 5 times 0 is 0, and then 5 times 2 is 10 for $100. Next I'm going to do 55 times 2. I could add it twice or multiply like I'm doing here. The next one I noticed was 20 times 6 again, and I actually already had that from earlier. So you're just going to keep multiplying till you have them all, and then don't forget to add it all up at the end.